She's not too bad. She's not too bad at all. No rat's nest. Bloody oath, look for a rat. Smells fine. Not a lot of dust there. Stuff all. Big donk. Get rid of the maintenance charger so I don't blow the hell out of that. Looks alright. Coolant's fine. Yep, everything's fine. Close them on. Hasn't been started since November last year. It all turned on. Oh, she idled a bit higher than what she normally does. She fired straight up though. It's a bit up and down. I'm going to give it a wash. Oh, Camry. Bloody old heap of shit. She still moves. The old beast. She's mint. This thing hasn't got a mark on it. Absolutely spotless throughout. Won't find any marks. Beautiful paint on this car. The whole roof. Really nice windows. It's horrible.